Close your eyes and listen to the sound of a shutter. Not the digital beep of a smartphone, but the mechanical, surgical snick of a precision instrument. For 3 years, the most dedicated community in photography has been waiting in the shadows. We've watched the X106 sell out in seconds, we've seen the X-T5 dominate the hybrid market, and we've seen the GFX series redefine medium format. But for the purists, the street photographers who want a camera that disappears, the documentary shooters who live for the rangefinder experience, there has been a void. But today, the silence is over. In the last few weeks of early 2026, the leaks from the supply chain in Japan have turned into a flood. We aren't just looking at an update. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at the machine that might finally convince the world that full frame isn't the only way to reach professional perfection. This is the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. It is the most controversial, most anticipated, and most soulful camera Fujifilm has ever dared to build. In this video, we are going to dissect every leaked CAD render, every sensor benchmark, and the hidden screen mystery that has divided the community for years. If you've been thinking about switching to Leica, or if you're holding on to your X-Pro 2 with a death grip, you need to hear this. This isn't just a camera, it's the last stand of pure photography. Let's start with the heart of the evolution, the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5 HR sensor. For years, the X-Pro line was the chill younger brother of the XT series. But for 2026, Fujifilm is giving the X-Pro 4 the flagship high-resolution brain. This is the same sensor that made the X-T5 a legend. We are talking about enough resolution to crop into a street scene in New York City and still see the texture of the brickwork across the street. But it's not just about megapixels. The X Processor 5 inside this body is twice as fast as the previous generation. This means the autofocus isn't just good, it's telepathic. Leaks suggest a new AI-driven subject detection system that can track a human eye through a crowd, through rain, and through the reflections of a coffee shop window. For a street photographer, this is the difference between the decisive moment and a blurry memory. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. The design. Specifically, the screen. When the X-Pro 3 launched, it was an act of war. The hidden LCD was Fujifilm's way of saying, stop looking at the back of your camera and start looking at the world. Half the community loved it, the other half felt betrayed. In the X-Pro 4, the leaks suggest a middle ground that is pure genius. Imagine a three-way tilt screen, similar to the X-T5, but with a twist. The rumors point to a mechanical stealth mode. You can have a fully functional high-resolution screen for those difficult low-angle shots, but with a single click, it locks into place, showing only a small e-ink film box display on the back. It's the best of both worlds. It gives you the pure experience when you want it, and the pro utility when you need it. Now, let's talk about the feature that everyone said was impossible for the X-Pro line, IBIS. In-Body Image Stabilization. For years, Fuji engineers said the X-Pro body was too thin for a stabilized sensor. But 2026 technology has caught up. The X-Pro 4 is rumored to feature a slimmed-down, 7-stop stabilization system. This is a game-changer for the available light shooter. Imagine walking through the neon-soaked streets of Tokyo or the dim alleys of Chicago at 1 a.m. You can shoot at a shutter speed of 1/4 of a second, handheld, and get tack-sharp images. No tripod. No bulky lenses. Just you and the light. This turns the X-Pro 4 into a handheld night vision beast. And then there is the hybrid viewfinder. This is the soul of the X-Pro series. It's the only camera in the world that gives you that optical rangefinder feel with a digital overlay. In the X-Pro 4, the OVF/EVF system has been completely redesigned. The electronic viewfinder is now a 3.69 million dot OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's so fast and so clear that your brain forgets it's looking at a screen. But the OVF, the optical side, is where the magic happens. Leaks suggest smart bright frame technology. The camera can now project much more detailed data into